In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As with the 4 hour chart, we are in NUGT still and at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we have reached to NUGT and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $164.67, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $168.36. My stop loss is at $164.16. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $170.99, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $165.20, and my stop loss is at $171.52. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 17% chance to climb between 0 to 2%. To the downside, it has a 67% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 2 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.